future of the fort, I had this idea today. I'm going to be putting a tarp over, if it fits, the whole thing, and then it'll cover it. We have a brown tarp, so it'll work. And then we'll put like sticks around it. So that'll be really good. Today I was going to be putting a tarp around the whole thing, like just putting that over that. Even down here, if it fits. Hoping it does. So, yeah, that's the future of the fort, like what I'm going to be doing. I do want to build a door. I still have a lot of materials for everything that's needed right now. We do have a tarp. I was going to ask if I can use it, and then we're good to go.